Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. If your screen is looking like this, black and white or gray, everything is gray, don't worry. In case of you're thinking your device is broken, it's most likely a setting and it's easy to fix once you know how. All right, so in order to correct this problem, and it will be gray everywhere, videos, YouTube, any app, it will all be showing gray. No distinction in color, is simply black and white or simply gray. So you're gonna go to your settings, then select your settings. Once you're in settings, guys, you're gonna go down to the option that says accessibility, which is almost at the bottom of the screen in your S26 Ultra. And of course, you're gonna go to accessibility. And once you're in accessibility, go to vision enhancements. Once you're here, guys, go down and select the option here that says color correction. Now, if you notice here, it says grayscale. Go ahead and tap here that it says grayscale out here in terms of what's happening. And if you go up here, it says the option is on, so turn it off. If you go back here, it says color correction off. And once you turn it off, here you go, it's back to normal. And of course, the problem should be fixed in terms of what was happening to the colors. So the colors are now back to normal and your screen is pristine once more. All right, so this is a common occurrence. It's usually turned on in error. Hope that's fixed the issue with your S26 Ultra. And if you have any direct question, you can ask them. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. And bye until next time. Bye.